everyone, welcome to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to make Facebook photo private. So please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you open your Facebook application. Once you have opened your Facebook app and then get logged in, you need to go to your profile on the top left. Tap that. Once you're at the profile section, you scroll down and click on the Photos tab. Then you tap on the three dotted lines on the side, tap that. From there you tap on Edit Privacy. Inside Edit Privacy, you need to make the changes and tap on Only Me at the bottom. Tap that. With this, only you will be able to see your profile picture and it will be hidden from all the other Facebook profile. Now if you go back, your new privacy setting will automatically be saved and this will only be visible to you from now on. So this is how to make your Facebook photo private. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.